Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Our love is written in the stars. Loving you is effortless. You're my forever and always. Love is the light of life. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Grow old with me, the best is yet to be. Your love is my safe place. A heart full of love is a heart full of life. With love, anything is possible. Every moment with you is a blessing. Your love is my safe place. A heart full of love is a heart full of life. With love, anything is possible. Every moment with you is a blessing. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. The first duty of love is to listen. Love is the key to happiness. You're my favorite hello and hardest goodbye. Soulmates never part. You are my heart's desire. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. Love is the magician that pulls man out of his own hat. To love is to burn, to be on fire. The art of love is largely the art of persistence.